Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I just wanted to answer a question that so many of you have been asking me. They wanted to know where in the world did I get the manual that I talk about using. Okay, so all you need to do, and this will be a very quick tutorial, all you need to do is go to embrilliance.com, where I am right now. Once you're in embrilliance.com, simply go to downloads right up here, above the word Embrilliance, downloads. And these are all the programs that you can download. However, if you go down a little bit further, way down here, you'll see, oh, sorry, I didn't even see it myself. It's really hard to miss it. So if you're at the top and you go down past where it says Embrilliance Platform, the serial numbers, and then it has the Windows and the Mac stuff, right here, really kind of hidden, it says Manuals and Online Help. So if you want the Windows manual, simply click on this PDF and it will open here. What I did was I printed mine at home, front and back copies. And so there's a very nice table of contents all the way through all of this. Another thing I suppose you could do is send it to someplace like Staples and ask them to copy it for you. But I did mine on front and back pages. And I liked it because the table of contents. Also, let's see if there's any helpful information at the back. Okay, let's see. Nothing exactly what I was hoping to see. Coverage. Okay, but it just goes in through all of the things about the different platforms and what you get, depending on whether you have Embrilliance Stitch Artist, level 1, 2, or 3, Essentials, or anything like that. So, then, oh, and here's keyboard shortcuts that I think are very helpful. The other thing is, let's go back to the page. So again, this is the home page. Welcome to Embrilliance. We'll go down here to Manuals and Online Help, and here it is for the Mac PDF file if you want to print it out. And I really like things printed out. I don't know about you, but I like to be able to hold them in my hand and really flip through pages and look for things. So the Mac version will be right here. And you can print this out also. The other thing you could do is notice Manuals and Online Help. You could just go to Windows Online Help and it takes you, which is really easy to use. However, like I said, I like to hold things in my hand. But you can come over here to the content and say you want to see what can you do in Essentials. Click on this. Resizing. Okay, let's click on resizing, and here right away we get to the information about resizing things using Essentials. So that's how easy it is to find the manual that I use and I love when I'm using Embrilliance. I hope this helps. Hey, if you like my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, use my links at the bottom or underneath here if you're in the market to buy some things, whether new Embrilliance modules or anything else to go with your crafting supplies. Thanks again. Bye.